Hi boys and girls, welcome to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool. It's great to see you. Do you know what day it is today? Ollie, do you know? Yes, do you guys know what day it is today? It's story time with Miss Denise and Ollie the Crow. Oh, I love story time, don't you? Yes. One of my favorite things to do is to read stories. Okay, well, before we read our story, we have to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, that was fantastic singing. Thank you guys for singing with Ollie and I. Okay, today's book is going to be a super fun, cool book. It's called The Crown Box That Talked. Have you ever had a crown box that talked? No, I haven't either. But we're going to read a story about a crown box that talked. So I'm going to put Ollie down just for a second. Okay, so it's called The Crown Box That Talked by Shane DeRolf. The Crown Box That Talked. This is a very fun story. I love it. Here is the title page. The Crown Box That Talked. Let me turn you a little bit more. Well, while walking in a toy store the day before today, that would be yesterday. That is a big toy store, isn't it? Oh my goodness, lots of toys in there. I overheard a crown box with many things to say. I don't like red, said yellow, and green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. So that little girl heard the crowns talking in the crown box. We are a box of crowns that doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. They don't get along. Oh no. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me. So that little girl bought that special box of crayons and laid out all the colors so the crowns could all see. So she laid all of them out. There's the green, purple, that's a tealy color green, a blue, brown, I see a red, ooh, a pink, a yellow. They're everywhere. A little white one. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. So she's making a beautiful picture with a lot of different colors, isn't she? Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched me till I was through. Look, they're all happy. And when I had finally finished, I began to walk away. And as I did, the crown box had something more to say. I do like red, said yellow. And green, said, so do I. And blue, you are terrific so high up in the sky. We are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. So when all of them worked together, they made a beautiful picture. Each one had their own special job. So you see, the box of crayons is kind of like us. Yeah, with our friends. Each one of us is completely different than the other. We might have different hair color. We might have different eye color. We might have different skin color. We might wear glasses. Maybe we don't. Or maybe we're really tall. Or maybe we're short. We're all different. But when we all get together, oh, how beautiful we all are. And when we work together, the things that we can do. So being unique and different is amazing and awesome. I love that story. And I love the meaning of that story too. Okay, well, it is time for Ollie to say goodbye and for me to say goodbye as well. So will you sing the goodbye song with Ollie and I? You will? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Oh, you guys did awesome. Okay, Ollie's gonna blow his wonderful kisses so you guys get ready to catch, okay? All right, you ready? Okay. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good job, Ollie. Okay, will you blow kisses for Ollie to catch? Okay, he's looking. Ooh, oh, there's one, yeah. Oh, right in the middle. Oh, Ollie up there, yeah. Oh, another one. Oh, one more. Oh, another one. My goodness, a lot of kisses today. Thank you guys. You have an awesome week, and we will see you next week with another story with Story Time with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.